The northern leaders, you know that all along, they think that they are clever. They are using these terrorists to intimidate all of us, to get what they want. You know, whenever they want anything, they unleash these guys to make things uncomfortable for all of us. I will now be scrambling to please them and all that. Meanwhile, they will now stay back and then be talking, making political statements, making political demands, while their boys are disturbing the government. That is how they have been operating, using these guys as a leverage against some of us, because they know that down south here, we are mostly Christians and very peaceful. We don't want this violence. But they are using it against us. Now, the thing has backfired, like every other thing like this. You know, those who ride on the back of the tiger always end up on the belly of the tiger. It's like the knot is about to end up in the belly of the tiger, because the guys are on rampage now. And they are thinking that if care is not taken, this may boomerang into a war. Because if this thing continues, all these attacking Christians, killing Christians, kidnapping Christians, don't you think that at a point, the Christians will rise up and there will be a problem in this country? So the country they want to control will no longer be there. That is their fear now. This thing that they are not doing it for you. They have realized that at a point, something will give. Not now that America is now interested in what is going on here. If they continue this attack, I bet my last couple, something will give. The people that are not interested in this violence and killing and kidnapping, they will say, no, we are leaving Nigeria. And then who will now come and say, okay, come, who? Who will come and say it? That's what they are afraid of. So if they really mean what they are saying, because they have said something like this before, but at the end of the day, nothing happened. The state police, will they be working with the Hizbah police in the north? Please tell me. Will they allow them to work? Because the state police are going to work according to the constitution. Don't you see a clash here?
Yes.
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.